soon as you put fine screens onto an intake, you really have to consider debris tolerance and how you're going to handle all that debris as well, because fine screens capture a lot more debris, and we're really keen to sort of partner with you in that process to really understand your intake and design an optimised solution. So if you'd like to come inside, I'm happy to take you through the design process. Sites where we put these in, they've had some sort of terrible screening systems before that have spent 50% of their time being clogged up, and then as soon as they put in the GoFlo system, they're just 100% clean all the time, and their energy production just goes through the roof. So it's obviously a great result for the customer. First stage is we'll put together a very quick 3D model with the screen in and do a sort of initial budget pricing and send that back. We actually come out and visit the site then, just check or either measure up or check all the measurements are correct. Really understand, how the water flows in and out the site, so we can understand how debris got to be flushed away and things. The key thing with all the regulations you've got to meet is that we need to design the system so it's not just the bar spacing on the screen that meets those requirements, but any of the gaps in the whole system around the sides of the screens, anywhere where those fish or eels could get through. So that's why we're really keen at the design stage to work with 3D models and make sure they're shared between all the sort of collaborators in the project, just to make sure that everything's compatible and that everybody's meeting all the regulations. The manufacturing process really starts once that collaborative design stage is finished. I mean, we'll turn that design into something that's going to be laser profiled and folded using CNC machines. Then that goes to the fabricator we work with, it all gets welded together and it goes to our workshop for assembly. So what we build into that 3D model will be exactly what we deliver to site. And we've got a very good reputation for things fitting together very well and looking very nice on site. That's because we've got the 3D model correct to start with.
So having that quality system in place is something that's really good for the customer to know, particularly some of our customers in the water industry, for example. You're kind of dealing with a company that's worked in all aspects of construction. Engineers there that not only understand how to deliver a product such as an intake screen, they've also got experience in delivering all the other aspects of that project.
If you'd like, we can take a drive out to an operating system, so we'll go to Crestbrook and have a look at the screens that are working there. We're at Crestbrook Mill, which is near Buxton in the Peak District. Because it automatically cleans, you see the result in the energy production from the hydro turbine. It's generally always at the maximum that it could be at for the water flow that's in the river.
One of the reasons we went for this screen was because the other alternatives we felt were more likely to get clogged up and need downtime to maintain them. It's all automated, so it detects when there's debris, when it needs to clean, and we can access it remotely.
We're happy to get involved at the design stage. We'll build it, we'll come and help you install it, and then we'll help you operate it into the future. We're really keen to partner with our customers to make sure they get a good intake system that works into the long term.